Welcome to MX Training Blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the GeneratePress, how to install the GeneratePress on your WordPress dashboard. Now, first you have to log in. Go to google.com, search for MX Training Blog. Once the site is opened, use the search bar to search for GeneratePress. Now click on it. Once the article is opened, scroll down to see the download or mega button or media fire button. Now once you click on the mega button, it will open on a new tab. So click on download to download the file. Now first you move to your WordPress dashboard, then click on appearance to select themes. Now add themes, then go and look for GeneratePress, the free version, that's the theme version. Then install it. After installation, activate the theme. After activating the theme, move to plugins, then click on add plugin. Now upload the plugin that you downloaded from MX Training Blog site. But before you do that, extract the file, that's the zip file, to see if there is an extra zip file in the folder. If there is no extra zip file inside, then install the zip file that you downloaded. After installation, activate the plugins, then you are done. Then you click on config. Now it will ask you for a lance key. Just ignore it, it's already pre-activated. Activate all the models. Now when you move to our sidebar, you could see alpha, beta. That one is a different thing. It's the same as GeneratePress, but this is the beta. After all models are being activated, now move to the website to see how the layout will look like. Move back to your dashboard. Click on customize from the appearance. Now you could see we have site identity. Now you can see layout, then colors. You can choose the colors that you want for the header, top bar, and the body. We have a lot of them. If it is the font, you could change it as well. Now you could see we have primary navigation, secondary navigation as well. Then you could see we have topography as well. Then on the header, you can change it to classic, default, any as you want. Now you could see we have header, we take classic, then the header width we take full. If you like, you can choose any of them that you want. Then we move back. You could see we have background. You can change to placing the header an image over there, so you can upload an image, any image that you want to use for the header as well. You could choose not to upload any header image. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also try to click on the button so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be able to get a notification. Now we move to the primary navigation, then we have the secondary navigation as well. Now we have to go to the sidebar where you can choose any of the settings that you want. We have the blog, we have single and archives. Then we have the footer. You can change to customize it as well, or better still, leave it. So with the sidebar layout, then we move to topography. Then we have background images. Then we move to menu. So with the menu, we can set up our menu as main menu. Then we select to the primary menu, then we click on save. Now over here we are going to create our home page, about us, contact us, then few of our navigation pages as well. So we start with entertainment. To create entertainment, we use the categories. So we create entertainment, type on entertainment, where we add another one, technology. So you could see the menus for the navigation. Then you can also click on this, type, let's say, health. Type health. Then you could see we've created our navigation. So we are going to add about us and contact us page to our navigation. So let's create the contact us page. Now our navigation bar is set, so you could see, which is set to primary menu. So you click on publish to publish it. Now we create another one for the top bar, that is the top menu, where we can put our privacy. So we select secondary menu, so where we can create a page for privacy and policy. Then we create terms of use or terms and conditions. You can use terms of use. We also create DMCA policy. Then we also create disclaimer policy, and so forth. You can add more. So we select automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Then we click on publish. Now you can see it is being created. That is the widget footer. That's the footer widget. So you can create any as you want to create on the widget. We have the top bar. You can do the same for that.